What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, King G Summer. And today, I'm reacting to anime memes. If y'all got some videos for me to react to, bro, put it in the comments, bro. I need some videos to react to, bro. We need some content to watch. The skits is coming soon, bro. I'm not gonna post in the skits in a while, bro. If I get my brain programmed again, if I get inspired again. The homie, Marcellus. I don't know how to say his name, though, but go ahead and react to the video, bro. I'm gonna call him a taco though. Green taco. I gotta watch this anime, dude. What the?
Give it a try.
Oh yeah. Oh, you can't eat that shit. You're good now.
This right here is my
Dark skin
favorite
waifus.
thing ever. In the history of forever. I think about this every day. I think about this all night long. I stay awake, not sleeping, because I'm thinking about this.
Yeah. Yes, sir. What the fuck is this? It's Masamune?
Oh my.
What the fuck? I ain't seen that yet. There's a block phone. It's not even on. So you can kind of see. Bruh. Oh my god.
Hey Terry, you want some? This bitch
Damn.
Whoa, that's like fucking mean.
It's cold though. Oh yeah, Death Note, bro. Y'all should watch Death Note, bro. It should go down. That's how people die in Death Note for real, though.
Oh, なんだこのイケメンは。ムカつく。
It was Cosmo, bro.
手が無意識に。
I love Cosmo, bro. Bro, I haven't seen that anime, bro. I haven't seen it, bro. I want to get spoiled.
Pull the trigger! Do it! Do it, motherfucker!
Rick and Morty. What? Oh!
That's quite big. Impressive.
Bro, I haven't seen that yet.
Ooh, that's kind of small. Yikes.
Yeah. Yeah. What the fuck is he doing?
Big dog, we got a situation here. I'm gonna need some backup.
What the fuck?
We got a 1022 in progress. I'm gonna need you to bring in the big gun. Get on the ground. Get on the ground right now.
What are you doing? Oh god, I know this. I've seen this already, bro.
Big brother, I want you to give me your big juicy thick and drench me with your hot sticky until I'm gasping for air.
Ah! Good God! It's hideous. But beautiful in an ugly way. But mostly hideous.
What?
If you're not subscribed, then what are you doing here?
Corey!
What are you doing here?
Listen to
Corey.
this. You hear that?
Yeah, y'all better subscribe, bro.
That's my knife grazing your neck meat. It would take about 2 pounds of force for me to
But I'm already subscribed, though, so.
subscribe. Hit the bell.
You got Corey in that bit, bro. What Corey gonna do to me, bro? But yeah, if y'all like the video, bro, go ahead and subscribe to the homie Otaku. And subscribe to me if you want to see reactions, skits, rap songs. The gaming is on the other channel, so I got content coming out the water bottle. I got references coming out the water bottle. I'm not gonna say my ass. It's sus. You might find it with the other YouTubers, but I'm not saying that sus shit.
Hi.
Okay.
But I see y'all later, bro. Peace out, KNG Summer. I see y'all later, bro. Before though, if I got any videos of me to react to, bro, put it in the comments, bro. We need some content. Fuck. But I see y'all later, bro. Peace out.
Baby.